How to set headphone audio to boost soft sounds slightly, moderately, or strongly on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down, then tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down to the Hearing section and tap on Audio and Visual. At the top here, tap on Headphone Accommodations. Then make sure Headphone Accommodations is switched on. Then we scroll down and tap on Slight, Moderate, or Strong. This will allow you to boost the soft sounds according to your settings up here. So it can boost sound slightly, moderately, or strongly. And that's it. After that, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.